Hello everyone, welcome back to On Top Indicators. My name's Osiris and today I'm going to be giving you a quick video of the best settings to use when trading the Chande Oscillator. So here's what the Chande Oscillator looks like. It's this oscillator down here. If I double click on it, kind of blow it up. So it oscillates between say -80 all the way up to 100. It's the yellow line that's just going back and forth, and this white line is what we're going to use as a signal line. So we're going to be taking a buy position every single time that the yellow line crosses above the white line. So right there we'd be going in, then we'd wait till here to go in, then we'd wait to there, and we'd wait to there. So those four trades would be what we would be looking at. And then you can see that up here, right? So there's that yellow line that I drew down here is right there. This line here is right there. This line right there, and this line right there. You can see the trades, right? I'm the worst jar, so bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm just trying to get this good info out for you guys. So let me get rid of all that drawings or whatever you call that, chicken scratch, and let's get to the strategy. Let's see what we got. So this is what's going to happen if you guys use the default settings. So the default settings is the length is set at 9. Now I have a signal length that I added to. I made it 21. You can make the signal length with whatever you want, and we're going to test to see what the best result is for that. The stop loss and take profit, I use half of the overall ATR throughout this whole testing period. So basically I just want to find out, once this signal came through, did the price go for us or against us? That's all we're trying to find out, right? We're not really building a full strategy off of that. We're just trying to figure out what the best settings to use for this oscillator when trading BTC USD on the 50-minute chart. So as you can see, just with the default setting set at 9 and the signal line set at 21, we'd be up 26.14%. And over that period of time, here's our white line. We would have been pretty much the price of Bitcoin kind of stayed the same. We dipped down for a while, but then we're kind of rallying back up, and we're pretty much right above where we were. So if you look at the performance summary, the actual buy and hold returns was 2.54%. Well, it just changed to 2.57%. So that's not bad, right? Just by using the default settings, we would have been up over 20% of what a buy and hold strategy would have been. So now the best settings that I found is pull up your indicator, change the length to 26 and the signal length to 13. Keep the stop loss of 1.2 and 1.2 for now, but once you start back testing your own strategy, you're going to want to mess around with that and make it the best that you can possibly make it. So that would have put us at a net profit of 105.91. Now that's a huge difference, right? We go from 26% to 105.91, all while Bitcoin has stayed pretty much the same, right? Even though there was that huge dip, look, even in that huge dip, we made money. And as they started coming back up, our take profit came up with it as well. All right, so that's it, guys. That's what you're going to want to use. Once again, set the length at 26, have a signal line, and put that signal line at 13, and that's going to give you the best bang for your buck when you're trading the 50-minute BTC USD chart. All right, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.